Of course, the one and only, folks, we got the car of Mafia Folklore. We got our 1999 BMW 540 6-speed manual. We recently done a ton of work to it. Now, before I tell you what I did, let me tell you what the last owner did. The last owner did the timing chain. He put a $2,000 flywheel. He did the valve cover gaskets. He did the tune-up. Then we got the car. We put a new clutch, throwout bearing, carrier bearing, guibo, motor mounts, transmission mounts, full exhaust. We did the tune, the custom piggyback, the custom tune, all from scratch. We put 4 tires on it. We changed the oil in it. We changed the coolant in it. Speaking of coolant, new radiator, new AC fan, all new hoses. We pretty much worked this car out. We got a few new window regulators in there. Knock on wood, it's been shifting right. It's been driving right. Oh, fun fact, the last owner put the green stuff brake pads, which if you didn't know, they're like very expensive brake pads. They're $200 per set. As well, he put some really fancy rotors, as you could see. Yep, those are not painted green. Those are factory green brake pads. It's called the green stuff. Look it up. Apparently there's yellow stuff and red stuff. But I'm too broke to know what that is, because some of those brake pads are $400 for one set of brake pads. All right, that's just ridiculous. But the car is just doing great. Let me show you inside the car. Let's go to our janitor keys. Original key works. We did swap these seats over. This car did come with really worn out seats, and I took these seats out, which are the same seats, just in slightly better, like 80% better condition. Not slightly, like these aren't even ripped. You know, the other ones were just completely cooked. But as you've seen from the other videos, this car is not shy to spit flames. Those taillights is the ones it came with. It'll do for now, but we are looking to get the original clear Helas. We are gonna get an M5 cluster. Yes, guys, I've been hearing it. I'm gonna PDR this dent out. So don't worry, we're gonna call a PDR specialist and he's gonna come take the dent out. I got some BBS CHR2s that I was gonna put on this, but my friend ended up buying them off me, so I'm just gonna stick with these period correct wheels that came on the car. These are Mila Miglia 1000s. They're Italian. I'm not sure if these were catalog wheels back in the day, or the guy just had to custom order them. We also changed the headlights and the hood on this car. Not the best condition, but a lot better condition than it was before. We do want to get the whole car paint corrected at one point, but we're about 1,000 miles into this car and about 10 grand in mostly parts, and whatever labor I did myself, I did. The rest I gave my friends to help me out, but we're about 10K into this car. So I think if we drop another 10 grand into this car, we could actually get somebody to buy it for 7,000. That would make me a reverse hustler, but it'll make good content. We should just keep spending money on this car until somebody buys it for $7,000. We're already 10K into it. What's another 10K? If it was up to me, I would get the M5 rear end. That's going to be ideal for hooning around. M5 differential with axles and drive shaft. But without doing all that, to be economical, the LSD we could go with is, my friend at a junkyard has, for $300, he's going to hook us up with a 750 LSD. That's from the V12. So that's going to be an economical way to drift better. I am installing a short shifter tomorrow. See, we're going to get the LSD done, and then the next big patch of money we're going to spend, honestly, I want to get M5 full interior. I'm just still looking around what I can get. There's a lot of all black out there, but I did want to get the two-tone blue or on black or red on black. Yo, people that just don't know ask me why you spend so much money on this car. Besides for the fact that this car is like a brother that's always there for you, a friend, loyal steed that will go to war with you. The driving experience on these old cars, you can't just compare to the new cars. And I did find a 101 540 manual wagon M Sport that hopefully, if he still has it by Sunday, I'm gonna go grab it. It's just a bit far away, but I did kind of find like a holy grail E39, guys. So let's see how that works out.